In this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to remove or disable channels on WhatsApp. Ever since WhatsApp released this new feature called the WhatsApp channel, people have been talking, people have been making noise, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to read out some of these messages, some of the things people have been saying. Like this one I have here says, I hate this new WhatsApp version. That's not all. There are over 200 likes under this comment to show you that a lot of people support this. Okay, let's go ahead. There is a next one here. Now, this one says, channels is one of the most annoying updates to WhatsApp ever. It's not Instagram or TikTok, plus the amount of space it takes relative to all the other stuff on that screen is ridiculous. You see that? Then the next person goes on, and don't even skip the 44 likes, showing you that 44 persons support the notion. And the last message I would love to read out to you here says, WhatsApp is supposed to be personal. Why introduce channels that we never asked for? We don't care about celebrity updates that don't even care for us. WhatsApp should be about family and friends, not people we don't relate to. So people are voicing out, people are angry, people are boiling. They are saying that WhatsApp is deviating from their message, from their brand message, which is that privacy they give to people. Like there's TikTok, there's Instagram, there is Facebook for them to go and follow all the celebrities and get all the gist they want. But they don't understand why WhatsApp is incorporating this new feature. Well, while all this noise is going on, a lot of people are enjoying this new update, and I've gone ahead to make a video also to show you the benefits or things you can actually do with WhatsApp channel. So, and I have linked it in the description of this video. It will also be at the end of this video. So if you're part of those who are enjoying it, you can watch that video to get more from me. If you're not enjoying it, then stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you 2 methods that you can use to remove or disable the WhatsApp channel. But before we dive into the video, I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the WhatsApp channel? Are you enjoying the feature, or are you complaining about it? I would really love to know what you think about it. Let me know in the comments down below. So let's dive into method 1. The first method on how to remove or disable the WhatsApp channels option on WhatsApp is to get into the update tab, locate the update tab in your WhatsApp, and then you're going to see your interface like this. Your status will be here on the horizontal line, okay, as you can see from here, and then the channels will be down below here. So the very first thing you want to do, if you've created a channel, you need to delete it. So to delete your channel, this is how to go about it. This right here is the channel I've created. Tap on it, tap on the 3 dots, tap on channel info, and then scroll down. You see delete, tap on it, and then tap on delete here. So here you'll be asked to enter your phone number. Just type in your phone number here. That is your WhatsApp number, the WhatsApp number for this WhatsApp. Alright, and then click on delete. So it's deleting the channel already. So that is it, the channel is gone. The next thing you have to do is to unfollow all the channels that you have followed. So every channel you have followed now, all you do, tap on the particular channel. You either tap at the 3 dots at the top right of the screen, or you tap on the name of the channel, then you scroll down, tap on follow, you unfollow the channel. So that is it. You do this for all the channels that you are following. So go back, click on the channel, you can tap at the 3 dots, tap on unfollow, unfollow the channel. So you do this for all the channels that you follow. Start deleting the channel. After unfollowing the channels, you are following and deleting the channels. This is what you have now. So you can be able to scroll on the vertical line. Your status will now be on the vertical line, so you can scroll down and see all of the status that you want to view. And I believe this is much more better than when it's on the horizontal line. The key still remains that you will not be able to search for any status you want to view. If you want to view any status, you will have to scroll down till you get the particular status you want to view. But if you still want to search, maybe there are status, there are some status you have in mind that you like to view. Someone like me, there are some status I love to view. So I will just search it. So if you still want to search it, it's still possible. All you need to do, you need to do this from the chat area and not from the status area. So go into the chats in your phone, go to the chat, tap on the chat, and then at the top of here you can see search. You can now type in the name of whoever you want to view their status, and once you type in their name, let's say for instance, let me search my name, Amara Ibokwe. So this is me right here, and as you can see, this is my second number. As you can see, I have a WhatsApp update. All right, so as I've searched for myself now, I can now tap on my name and view my status. I hope you can see that. So that is simply how you can search and view the status of people you want to view their status. So let's get to the second method. The second way you can go about disabling the WhatsApp channel is by downloading the old version of WhatsApp. Now at this point, if you have not updated your WhatsApp yet and you don't need the WhatsApp channel to be in your WhatsApp, please don't update it. All right, but then if you have updated your WhatsApp and you want to get rid of the WhatsApp channel, all you have to do now is to download the older version. So when you download the older version, if you don't have this updated version of WhatsApp that carries the WhatsApp channel, and here's how you go about that. Step one is to back up your WhatsApp, back up your chat, back up your WhatsApp. If you don't back up your WhatsApp and you download a new version, after registering, you will lose your chat. So it's very important you back up your chat. And then once you are done backing up your chat, you uninstall your WhatsApp, uninstall the WhatsApp you have currently, and then you will download a new WhatsApp. You are not going to do this from Play Store or from App Store, because when you do it from the Play Store, from the App Store, you will end up getting the updated version. So you do this from your browser. All you have to do is to get into your browser and then you search for WhatsApp old version or old version of WhatsApp, whichever way you search for it, and it pops out. Then you are going to download the APK version, and make sure that you're downloading it from a legit source or reliable source, so you don't get virus and all of those things that will destroy your phone into your phone. So if you really don't want the WhatsApp channel update, this is the route to go. Or if you don't want to go this route, you can as well use the first method and you're good to go. So if you're excited about the WhatsApp channel option and you're using it and you want to learn further how to use it more to be able to advance, grow your business and make so much money for yourself, then you need to watch this video where I have went in detail to tell you everything about the WhatsApp channel, how to use it, how to make money with it, how to grow your business with it, how to get thousands of followers in your WhatsApp channel. Then you watch this video showing right now on the screen. Thank you for joining me in this video. Go ahead and share this video with other people so that they will get to learn how to do this as well. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an update. And if there is any other thing you would like to know when it comes to the WhatsApp channel, also let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. All right, I will see you in the next one.